we are at my friend's office, so here's the $1 million office tour. Let's see it.
Oh, what's up? Welcome to my humble abode. So we got this office back in September of last year. So we've almost been here about a year now.
What's your favorite part of the office so far?
Just being able to hang out with the boys, buddy.
To hang with the boys, huh?
The old crucial. Absolutely fucking crucial. We got a reception area, no receptionist, classic.
It's a Sunday, boys are clocking in late.
Boys are clocking in late, buddy. We got a couple of offices in here. It's Cole's office. We got the bullpen, which is usually where all the guys that are kind of on the sales team, a couple of the analysts work out of here. I guess 3 of these are analysts and 4 of them are analysts. And then this is Ben's office. He's kind of like one of the managing partners, or one of the partners, I guess. Cole, another partner.
Got a putting green.
Putting green. This is necessary.
Mandatory in an office.
Mandatory
games, right?
for the boys. This is Aiden's office. So most guys, you'll notice we have monitors, and then you just plug in your laptop. Makes it so it's easy. A little quick in and out. Little in and out ski. Then we got Mark's office over here. It's kind of disheveled right now. This guy. Let me help him out a little. So he's got a pretty good view out there. Not bad.
Vancouver, best World Cup host in the world.
Oh yeah, big World Cup guys around here. And yeah, so this used to be my office, and then we got the whole office. Then we've got the kitchen area. All right, pretty good. Usually there's like a meal or 2 in here. There's nothing in there right now. There's a little San Pellegrino though. We like to stay stocked with some carbonated water at all times. Have to.
Got to. Never forget the bev.
Got a big Mark here, just fucking having at her. This is the area where most of the boys that code sit. So a couple of the guys will usually be here, just coding away. We got the Mac Mini. We got a big ass Mac. I guess that's a Mac Pro.
They call this the nerd sector.
This is the nerd sector, or Silicon Valley sector, if you will. This is my office, my humble abode. I got liquor. I just keep the liquor that clients have given me in the past. So we did some work with a liquor company. This is from one of our clients out of Mongolia, Genghis Khan. It's a little Genghis Khan vodka. If you look at this, it's actually pretty sick. So there's a couple shot glasses, and then pretty big bottle of vodka. Can't say I'm a big vodka guy, but it was really nice of them to set us up with that. Got the Batman cups, necessary.
They call this place the Homo HQ.
I've never heard anybody call it that. Then usually I got kind of the essentials, the Kindle, coffee cup for coffee, coasters in case you need them, and then usually, just like the other guys, I'll come here, plug my little laptop in, and then I have my 49-inch monitor. So I'll kind of go between this office and then sitting out there with the guys when I'm coding or we're building stuff out for auto raise, like the SAS that we have, that kind of stuff. Yeah, got fucking really good view here of Vancouver. That's Burrard Street right here. So it's kind of like we're in the financial district. It's the Burrard SkyTrain station, so all the guys can commute to work fairly easily. We're right downtown, which is freaking awesome. And you can see my apartment from here, actually, which is kind of nice.
Which one is it?
That big one.
Oh, right there.
Right there, baby. And then, what else?
This is the spot, though. It's always popping, always has action going. And
yeah, usually, buddy. You got to come here during the week. And then what's really nice, which is kind of like a low-key feature, is we can do writing on the wall like it's a whiteboard. So we use this pretty heavily in order to make sure that whatever kind of needs to be worked out can be worked out. So that's really nice. Then we've got the boardroom. Usually we'll sit down in here and we'll either flesh stuff out on that whiteboard, or additionally, we love to kind of pop something up on the TV, and you can screen share onto the TV. So works really well for us to all kind of work together, because you just will, like, you can extend your monitor up onto the screen, and then everybody will sit down in here and all work on one thing. And to Jordan's point earlier about what I like best about the office, most of it is just the ability to do stuff like this, where you have, like Friday before we left the office, we all went over like how things were looking at the end of the week, and sat down in here, and there was like, six of us guys, like 4 analysts, 2 analysts, 2 sales guys, and then a couple of the managing directors, and myself. And we just all sit in here. They kind of screen share up on the board, and then we just work through, like, okay, what proposals have gone out, where are we at on the active clients that we have. Like, it makes it so that we can really easily work through things as a team. And at the end of the day, like, that is why we have an office, is so that we can have these kinds of settings where it just really cuts down what would otherwise be a ton of time, where you're like going to a guy's desk and or you're trying to communicate with a guy,
call them on meets.
Right, call them on meets, call them on WhatsApp. Like, I used to spend so much time just on the phone with people, and since we came here, I'm able to just kind of like walk around, make sure everything's going well, and then also we can have like group settings much easier and more impromptu, which is great when you're running like, a kind of like a small business. Like, you can meet with people much easier.
Do you find that it's a lot easier to make sure that your employees are actually working, because you can like physically see them and whip them if they're not?
For sure. I think it's not even necessarily about like the need to get people to be doing work. I'd actually argue that it's more so just that you don't realize how little people do when they're at home by themselves working. This is something Mark always talks about with me as well, which is like, if when we're in the office, I'll catch guys lacking inside of the office, and he's like, if you think that's bad, you should
imagine them at home.
Right, imagine them at home.
Yeah.
And so that's been another thing that's kind of come from this, is like, you are able to make sure that everybody's, going hard all day. And additionally, they can see what it looks like for me to be working. Like,
yeah, you can more so lead by example, because like, it's just more motivating to work when you see everyone else working. Like, when you're getting big dogged by the CEO that's out grinding the fucking bottom dude, is what's going to motivate that bottom guy to, oh shit, I got to step it up, or I'm never going to make that big money like the CEO, because if he's out grinding,
they're never going to be a big boss.
Exactly. All right, well, that's the office tour.
Big office tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm waiting on my Nando's right now. Hopefully this guy arrives sooner rather than later. He's taking his time. He's taking his time. 22 minutes away. He's coming over the bridge right now, baby.
More content coming soon. If you guys like this office tour, feel free to drop a comment below, and we'll see you guys in the next one.